Hi friends, my name is Harpit Katyar. I am a research scholar at Yamaguchi University School of Medicine, Japan. I am also working as an international member at IPR Repair World. It's a social, non-profitable, open organization. I would like to share some experience that I have had earlier about the IPR Repair World. As we know that the intellectual property rights have become important in the face of changing trade and environment, which is characterized by the features namely as a global competitions, high innovation risk, and short product cycle. We can say quick need for rapid changes in technology, high investment in research and development. Here I would say that intellectual property management is an emerging concept relating to the strategy behind the protection as well as licensing of the intellectual property rights. For example, owning a trademark for a particular business means having the exclusive right to use a trademark to identify product or services. Trademark and services marks differentiate the owner goods and services from those of his or her competitors. Yeah, a new chemical process or drug molecule or an electronic circuits and new surgical instrument and the development of new discovery is also a patentable subject matter, provided all the stipulation of the law are satisfied. Along with the patent protection, copyrights, trademarks, plant breeder rights, and the protection of the geographical indication and the protection of the undisclosed information are also the part of intellectual property rights. Now I am going to tell you that where I would gather all these information. This all the information I get through the one course, that is WIPO DL 101 course. This course is a general introduction of intellectual property rights. Hopefully, I will pass this examination in the coming month of October. And at the end, I would say that this course is a very smart choice for the student, professor, and researchers. Moreover, everyone should know the basics of IPR and daily life profits. So, guys, here at IPR Aware World, we would be happy to assist you in order to providing all the detailed information about the intellectual property rights. And thanks for the watching my video.